In today's video, I will show you how to make a stand in Please Donate. So now we need to first claim our own booth. So we're just going to claim this SE. Now we're just gonna click yes here, and then you're just going to copy paste it, and we will use it later. Next things. And now on our very new booth here, we can just edit it on whatever way we want. So now we can change the text, we can change the boot size, we can change the font, like here. Please donate, and we're just going to make it simpler. We have changed it successfully, and then we can change the font whatever way we want. We can also change the boot, but it requires donation, so we're just going to stick with the normal boot. So we can have some passes so people can buy our stuff. So we will copy paste what we got earlier, and then we're going to create a pass. So we're just going to create something for the sake of the video. So let's just put this. After that, we will go to the pass that we have made, and then we're just going to the sales, and we're just going to activate the option this item is for sale, and we're just going to put any price that we want. So for example, it's 5. So let's save changes. And now when we go back to the game, we're just going to unclaim the boot, and we will just claim it again, and then there you have it. You have a stand with a pass that people can donate to you. So I hope this tutorial helped you, and thank you for watching.